Hey, good day everyone. Check out this LawnMaster I have here. It's a manually powered lawnmower. This is perfect for if you don't want to use a gas powered mower and maybe want to get a little bit of exercise, or if you have some small areas you want to mow, this is perfect. So all you do is just take this handle here. It's easily assembled. It's all just metal tubing. Fasteners go through there, and these ones here. Same with this. This little metal frame just pops onto there down below. Right there. Then you secure them right up there in the middle. And this here is just gonna pop down right over that. All right, this baby's ready to go. Super easy to put together, quick and easy assembly. Go ahead and put this thing to use. You can put this handle on whatever way feels comfortable for you. You can make it up like this, or you can bring it down like that. If you like it the other way, you just flip it around. I like it this way. And this roller here is gonna face towards the user. So now you just take it and go for it. What's nice about this too, you can get into these hard to get to areas like this. It's hard to get a riding mower back in here, almost impossible. So this is perfect. This thing's great for getting in these areas like this where you can't really get a riding mower down. Great for getting around perimeters of stuff because it's easily maneuverable. Okay, here's how to adjust your grass height. So I just take it, kind of lean it up this way. And now what you want to do is pop these out. You can adjust this too. Make sure they're both on the same setting. Just pop this cap in, and I'll pull it out or in, depending on how you want to adjust it. Right here, you can take it, see that? And that one, I can go ahead and sink it into the next, the third one down here. Go like that. Or I can bring it all the way back up here. Then to go ahead and drop it down lower. Go ahead and put it to that lowest setting there. That'll give you your closest cut. Actually got one more there. That's at the lowest right there. Now I can take it, flip it around like this, and cut really low. Overall, really happy with this thing. I'm going to use it a lot. Very useful mower here. Thanks for watching, everybody.